Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do green screen in CapCut. So in here, I have this videos right here, and let's say I want to add a green screen to this video, whether it's a subscribe button or other green screen video that you want to add to your edits. So here, what you need to do is just use or click on the overlay button and then find the green screen effect or videos that you want to add. So here I will just find it on the CapCut library. For example, I'm going to add this. Okay, this green screen right here. You can click on the green screen video that you want to add, and as you guys can see here, the green screen is covering up the main video, so you need to get rid of the green screen by using the chroma key. So let's explore this toolbar at the bottom and tap on the remove background and use the chroma key. Now you can just select the green screen color on the video and adjust the intensity as well as the shadow right here. Then you can click on a check icon. So now the green screen video will look like this. It will remove the green screen and you'll have this effects on your video. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.